guys, if you got any questions, please feel free, reach out, email, or click on the link below or in the comments section. Do me a favor, smash that like button and click subscribe. So today is just a quick repair that we're doing on a customer that didn't want to spend all the money to get their driveway repaved, and we're just going to be adding some crushed asphalt to a crumbling old blacktop driveway and fill in all the bad areas and just make it so it's usable and smooth and isn't so beat up. Once again, this is Mark, 24/7 Hustle. Do me a favor, please like this video and subscribe. Have a good day.